Hello, it's me here. It's Paul. And I've got a piano, which means you've got it. You're watching Piano with Paul. And today we're going to be investigating the music behind Old MacDonald Had a Farm. E-I-E-I-O, I hear you say. Let's get cracking on. Right, so it's a really famous melody and it's great to sing with the grandkids, and it's a good little melody to play in the right hand. And it's in a new key today. We're in a key of G major. Now, for those of you who don't know what G major is, it's all of the white keys that starting on G, but you play the F sharp. There's no F sharp in this music, but I'm going to play the scale just to give you flavour of the key itself. So I'm going to go G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, there we go, and G. Come down again. And there you are. So that's a G scale. So let's take a moment to consider what chord shape we'll be looking at today. And of course, to play this melody properly, we are focusing on the chord shape of G major second inversion. That's root position. Going to take the G away, pop it here, and then we've got first inversion because we've inverted it once. Second inversion is take that away, the B, and pop it up here. And there we go. That is your position of today's music. Okay, so let me play the first melody for you. We'll break it up into several bars. So with our third finger on G, we'll play 3 Gs, go down to the D for 1, 2 on the E on second, and back down to here, which is D. Take a listen. 2, 3, 4. Okay, your turn. With me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and... Brill. Now, our inversion now has to stay the same. However, we use our pinky on B here, and fourth finger on A, and we'll come back down to our starting note of G. So let's take a look at the next 2 bars. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Okay. So it comes with a score. I've arranged it very simple, easy to play piano, and I'm playing from the score today, and I'll put it up there and a download link so you can have it from me for free to go along with this little lesson of Old MacDonald Has a Farm. Now then, we'll just talk about bar 3 and 4. Bar 3 goes B, B, A, G. Now there's a new note you might not have come across before, and it's a G with 3 beats, a dotted minim. So there we go, a 1, 2, 3, and then we release that for the next note to bring us into bar 5. So altogether, the first 4 bars of the right hand melody go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So the last part of the actual first 4 bars finishes with that 3 beat note. And the 4th beat is taken with a D that takes us back into the melody, and it's repeated one more time. It's exactly the same. So all you do is play what I've just done twice, but I'll do it just for you with the last beat of the 4th bar. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it's exactly the same, apart from we bring it in on the 4th bar with that D. With me, here we go. You can do this. You've got it. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the next 4 bars is the tricky bit, and we've got a little technique there. So let's take a look at the finger rolling just now. So let's take a look at the bar with 2 quavers and a crotchet that is repeated. Starting on our 3rd finger, we're going to play 3, 2, 3, and we do that twice. 3, 2, 3. So with the timing, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So keep your fingers close to the keys as possible. Now, using the same motion, we've got another bar. Straight after that, we've got 2 sets of quavers and then 2 crotchets. Goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's put those 2 bars together. Are you ready? Good. 3, 4, and... Now that is quite a tricky exercise, so I'd pause the video or take your time and download the music. Just seem to follow the patterns. And then once you've done that, the last 4 bars are very like the first 4 bars with a little automation at the end. You'll see when I play it right now. 2, 3, 4, and... Did you spot it there? D and G at the end. 2 notes at the same time, which is new on this music. And it makes a nice ending sound. It finishes it off lovely. So I'll play the last part again. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those are known as semi-breves or whole notes. A full bar, 4 beats. We'll take a look at the little rhythm with 2 quavers and a crotchet. Now the first quaver of each pair has an accent over it, like so. Now I am probably overemphasizing that a little bit too much, but you get the idea that you play it a bit louder. Now you might want to drop your finger down onto the note, which will give you that accent, or you could just play it in a bit louder. And that's a great one to use. At the end of the music, it's a very nice thing to do to have a pause or sometimes slow down. If you're pausing, it's a moment and then you carry on. And the slow down, would you normally see Ral and you'd slow down towards the end of the music. Okay, so let me demonstrate a pause. We'll go from the last 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. The pause is here. Put a roll in as well. So make it your own. Okay, that's it with the right hand. And the left hand is so easy. You'll be playing these hands together in no time at all. I'll see you. You've got it in a mini mo. Okay, the bass line is really just supporting the melody, and it mostly uses the C position on the left hand. And we're basically putting our thumb on G, down to C, back up to G again, and then it's G, D, G. So let's go through that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and off. There's a little rest there if you look at the score. Okay, and together it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And the same thing repeated, as you know, for the second section. So then let's take a look at how we do with the left hand with the more tricky part with the quavers and the accents and all of that jazz. Okay, but it's not jazz, you know that. Okay, so here we go. That's it. So to take your time and play it slowly to get the hang of it. The left hand is basically playing 2 beat notes called minims or half beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we have it. And the last 4 bars go like this. So that's it from me on this little lesson of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. You've got this, you'll be able to learn this and develop it and then put your own things with it as well. This is a starting point and you'll be able to excel that through. And I will be doing some videos about more advanced ways of playing simpler songs. So if you like the sound of that, stick around and that's coming to you very soon. But until next time, have a great day and continue to play your nursery rhymes.